Good day. My name is Derin Oloruntoye. In the last 18 years, I've been opportuned and privileged to manage and deliver solutions for key accounts in West Africa. And what I've learned over the years, I want to share with you over a 2-day period on the program titled Accelerating Growth with Key Account Management by Workforce Group. Over 2 days, we'll be covering modules around understanding what key account is. 2, how do you profile key accounts? Some accounts at the onset may just be tactical accounts. So, how do you develop such an account into a key account for your organization? Also, business requirements is fundamental to key account management. How do you creatively manage business requirements for your key accounts in an ever-changing digital economy? We won't stop there. We will actually go on and get our hands dirty by creating a working key account plan that you can go home with. My belief is that at the end of this 2 days learning program, you will be equipped to build working account plans that is focused on your customer's customer, thus making you a partner to your key accounts and not just a marketer. To begin the conversation, why not send a mail to learning@workforcegroup.com or contact us through any of the social media handles highlighted below. Thank you.